Let's take a look at personal protective equipment, or PPE, in welding. Uniform. Wear proper fitting and full sleeves uniform during welding. Caution. Never wear polyester or woolen clothes while welding. Apron. Always wear apron while welding. It helps in preventing injuries due to splatter. Welding helmet. Wear welding helmet as per the specification while welding. It prevents injuries to eyes, head, and face. Safety shoes. Always wear safety shoes while welding. It prevents foot injuries, burns, and electric shocks. Safety gloves. Always wear safety gloves during welding to avoid injuries from splatter. Safety goggles. Always use safety goggles as per the specification while welding. It prevents injury to the eye. Let's have a walk through in the welding shop. As we enter into the welding shop, we can see the mannequin wearing the personal protective equipment that ensures safety while welding. As we proceed further, we can see the training room where theoretical sessions on welding are conducted. And, near to it, is the supervisor room. The supervisor inspects the operation carried out in the welding shop. At the entrance of the welding shop, on the left side, is the electrical mains. Let's have a glance at the welding setups in the welding shop. We have the metal inert gas, or metal active gas welding setup. Next to it is the manual metal arc welding setup. This is the grinding section, where the welded metals are grinded to obtain finished surface. Then, we have the storeroom, containing the raw material to be used for the welding operations. The fire extinguishers are placed near to the setups in order to take action on hazards. The fire exit is nearby to make an exit in case of an emergency. As we move on, we can see the metal pegboard where all the hand tools are kept. Next to it is the tungsten inert gas welding setup. Then, we have the gas cutting setup, where the workpieces are cut with the gas cutting flame. The next is the gas welding setup. In welding shop, fume extractor arrangement is installed to ensure less pollution to the environment. Let's understand what is welding. During assembly, parts need to be joined. The joint may be of two types. A temporary joint, which is made by using fasteners. And a permanent joint, which is made using the welding process. The welders should ensure that they put on the personal protective equipment, or PPE, before starting any operation. In welding process, heat is used to join metal parts. During this process, the filler metal fills the groove and the shielding gases protects the weld pool from oxidation. The fusion of these metal parts creates a weld joint at the junction.